Alright, let's talk about making a new page. Let's assume you just want to make a new page for a new section or whatever the case may be. Pretty easy to do. You want to come to the admin and find the pages section. That's where I'm at right now. And go ahead and click add new. Give your page a title. For this one I'm just going to put some title. Go ahead and you want to add your content in here. Whatever your content's going to be, drop that right in there. Okay. Once you've done that, if you want to set your background image, this is where we do it, featured image. So if you remember some other videos, we've chosen a default image that shows up if you don't set one. So let's publish this real quick. Let's view the page to see what our background looks like with the text. Here's the title of the page right here. Here's my text. And here, this featured image is this background image right here. So if you want to change that or add a new one, we just do that by clicking this. And go ahead and choose one we already have set up on the database. Let's try, how about this one? Go ahead and select it. Make sure you choose use as featured image. X out of here and let me update. Let me refresh this, and there is our new picture. This same section works just like an email. You have all these editor buttons up here, where you can do stuff. If you want to, drop in block quotes, you want to drop in, you want to make a line of text bold. You could do that. We made this little shortcode button for you right here. Let me show you this. Some fancy heading, if I could spell here. See that right there? If I highlight this, click this little A and B icon, go ahead and click insert. Let me update this. Okay, you see this right here? That's what that little shortcode made. So you can actually play around and do some cool things with that. You want to insert an image, you can do that. Let me see if I can put some more text in here. Say you want to insert an image, you can do that by clicking this little icon up here. Go ahead and grab something we're already using. Let's do, how about the wedding people? And if we come down here, we can choose the size of it for one. So I'm going to do a medium size. And I'm actually going to float it to the right, so it's wrapping around the text to the right. Now what we want to use is insert into post. We don't want to click use as featured image, because if you click featured image, you're setting that section right here. We want insert into post. There's our image. Let's update. Let's come to the front end, see what we got here. There we are. There's our text. There's our image floated right. Pretty easy. So, for example, this would be really easy to do for your press page. You drop in your image, you drop in your little bit of text, you go ahead and do a hyperlink, and a hyperlink is as easy as highlighting the word that you want to. Oops, sorry about that. I'm on a laptop which I never use, and it's just the mouse is driving me crazy, so I apologize. Highlight the section you want to link, click that little chain right there, insert edit link, give it your URL, just click the add link button. So now what you've done is you've created a link within your site, and so if you need to set up your press page and add a link, there it is. It's given you a link. It's even colored it pink to match your site and everything, and now you've got a hyperlink. So this editor is really easy and really powerful for controlling and updating and maintaining your site. Okay, that's not the last thing we need to do. Once we've actually made a page, how do we get it to show up? Because if you notice, we have your menu, but the page I made is not in the menu. It's not in the bottom either. All right, so what we have to do is assign it to the menu. So once you've made your page, come over to menus, and then choose where you want it. Right now this is footer menu, so if I wanted it to be in the footer menu, I would come down to the pages, I would check it, and I would do add to menu. Now it's in the footer menu. Or if I wanted it to show up in the top or left or wherever, same thing. Save, add the menu. Once you've added it, make sure you hit save so it shows up. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy from that point. All right, that'll do it for this one.